everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. Love you guys. And yeah, today I am going to show you what I've got finished so far on the recipe album I have for my daughter, because it's her birthday last week and I tried to get it done in time, but anyway. So I had an old vintage photo album, a vintage looking photo album. It wasn't vintage by any means because it's a ring binder, but I covered it with some wallpaper that we had in our house. In fact, it was in this room that I have that is now my craft room. But I figured it's going to be nice and durable. I thought about just using paper. I thought about doing a couple different things with this, but I landed on the wallpaper because I know it's going to be tough. I mean, the way I was tugging on it and stuff to get it to fit on here and to make it work, I know it's going to be tough. So anyway, and yeah, I put a plate on it, and I put a little thing here, just a little spine. Oh, what is that called? My brain is giving me fits right now. It's just a spine tag. I put that on there. So, you know, she sticks it in with her other, you know, kitchen stuff, and it'll be recipes. It'll be easy to notice what it is. So I'm going to just finish it up today. And I had one piece of paper that had these cute little pictures on it. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to add them to the book as I show it to you. So what do you think about that, you guys? I'm kind of impressed that I got this done, and let's see, I think I got it done in about 2 weeks. So if I put all the time together, okay. And then the inside cover, I did put a pocket, and I'm gonna do this little Project Life card and put it right here. It's gonna have, you know, to Dana from mom, happy birthday kind of thing. I'm gonna put that right there. I'm gonna write on it first in case I screw it up. I don't wanna, you know, before I glue it down, right? I know that's going there. Okay, so got my phone book over here on the side, and I'm gonna just start adding things. And yeah, this is my party foods one, so that would be kind of a fun thing to have. There's kitchen is where home is. There's another one that's on this is really nice. Table and crew foods are, the kitchen is seasoned with love. Don't you think that would be nice to have right there? I'm gonna ink the edges though, just to bring out the color, and I have a green I think would make a good, that would be good. It's a forest moss. That would work nicely. And my spool with a sponge dauber on the top. Yeah, that looks good with that. And I'm just going to use my Elmer's Extra Strength glue stick for these. So put that on there nice and good. Put up a little high in case she wants to put some words down here for a table of contents, perhaps. Yeah, and I don't have anything to put in front of this, you know, such as a table of contents. I might put in the back some more pictures or printouts of, say, tables and measurements, how to double a recipe, just some helpful tips and hints, not hits and temps. Anyway, so, oh, isn't that pretty? I like that, just like that. So you can see I added pockets, and I had to reinforce the edge of these. Now, I showed a video last time about making these pockets for recipes or magazine clips or something that, you know, things that are larger than your average 4x6, because all of my recipes in here are 4x6. But she's going to find things that she's going to want to put in here, is my theory anyway. So, but the glue on here on some of these didn't take. So I had to reinforce it with just a zigzag stitch, and I just used whatever thread I had in there. I had red on one side and green on the other. So that's just something that I had to do. Yeah. Anyway, so it looks good there, and I can, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave that the way it is. So recipes, and I left in a lot of blank recipe cards so that there be plenty and plenty of space. There was another cup here or something, wasn't there? I like this for you, made with love. So this is going to go on my soups page. Let's see. Here's a teacup. That goes here. That goes right there, doesn't it? Should I put it there? Or, yep, can't put it there because I like that picture the way it is. A teacup right there. But after doing this book, I know that it's gonna be a lot easier to do my other daughter's book. I don't know what it's all gonna look like, but her birthday's not until July, so I want to get to gluing. I wanted to do some glue booking things too. So pretty that. Soups, plenty of soups there. Breads, do I have a bread? Anything that would look good on a bread? Kitchen is where home is. It's a let's see. Kitchen is where home is. I don't know necessarily, but I'm gonna put it on there. This paper was interesting because it's all the pieces are like different directions, and at first I thought it was upside down, then I turned it. It's like, oh, that one's right side up. That's right side up. That's upside down, but that's right side up. So I had fun. Oh, I'm gonna put something here. Let's see. Made for you with love. Okay. Oops. Oh, wait, that's not cool. Wipe my hands on my towel here. Okay, this is a pretty page. So yeah, a lot of the papers that I used came from a paper pack. Let me just show you really quick. This flea market paper pack I got from Walmart. So you'll recognize this is in there, this will be in here, this is in that one, and I've got this is, you'll see this, let's see, the plates, polka dots, these polka dots. Yeah, a lot of the papers that I use are from that paper pack, and I got that from Walmart. Simple as that. And even in my little town, there's a Walmart, so. Main dish, that looks good for a main dish. Almost can't see it though. So let me take a plum and do, no, I've got warm lipstick. I will do that instead. I just dress the outside thing. And just do the edges on this. One thing I enjoyed about doing this was using all these fun colored papers that I had and were just kind of hanging around. Now this I bought, this paper I bought. Isn't that pretty? So, but like this I had, and I've used up a lot of my Project Life cards. So I'm gonna have fun figuring out what to use to replace these papers that I've used, right? Okay, looks good. Oh, that's fun. Carrots. I think I'll put a quote or something there. I'm gonna find a different quote. See, I put little papers in the middles of all of these, and this was from a calendar, so it's little pictures and lots of blank cards so that she can either put, she can take them out and put them wherever she wants, or just pull them out and write on them as they are. Don't want to put it in the middle because I know she might want to put her table of contents in there. And this paper I also purchased, so. Soup and salad, soup and salad. This goes right here. Huh. Let's see. Can I put 2 of them on here? Because that's like a soup. Those are bowls. I'm going to do that. There. Looking good. Ta-da. I am going to put something there, but I think, again, maybe a quote. Olives. This would have been good for the bread. Where's the bread? Main dish. Breads. I already did that. Okay, never mind. Figure it out later. Sweets. This might be fun for sweets because it's a chef hat type thing. Again, let's use the worn lipstick and put that on here. Cute. Oh, I don't know if it's going to stick on the glitter because this paper's glittery. Okay, here's hoping. So those are my sweets. There's a little pocket there. A little worried about this corner right here. I might pull this one out and sew that edge right there just to give it a little more reinforcement right on that. I might. Cookies. And yeah, you can just see, oh, I kept the quotes that were in here from who I purchased it from. I thought that was a fun idea. So extra pages, and yeah, I'm gonna put something here. I'm gonna put something there. So yeah, that's the book, and then the back is just plain. So anyway, and this does stick out a little bit. You can kind of see where my tab is a little poofed out, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I think once it gets into her cupboard or whatever, it'll be fine. So I think it turned out great. I had a lot of fun doing it. And I'm excited for her to receive it. I think she's gonna like it a lot. It's just, you know, I love how it turned out. I think it's gonna be great. Yeah, okay. That's all I'm gonna do for just this short video. Thanks again for coming on over. Love you guys, and I hope you're having a really good day. And as always, friends, take care and God bless. Bye-bye.